I have already explained the chapter 5th Indian Revolutionaries Standard 8 SS, and today I am going to deal with the question answers of chapter 5th Standard 8 SS, and today it is the fourth lecture. Okay, fourth lecture Standard 8 SS chapter 5th. Okay, first question. Okay, in this chapter we learned about Vasudev Balban Phadke, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Khudiram Bose. Okay, then we also learned about Bhagat Singh, then Shyamji Krishna Verma, Madam Bikaji Kama, and many revolutionaries we learned. Okay, first question. What was the vow? What was the vow taken by? What was the vow taken by Vasudev Balban Phadke? What was the vow taken by Vasudev Balban Phadke? Okay, Vasudev Balban Phadke had taken a vow that he would not apply tilak on his forehead, and he will not get haircut till he cannot make India free. Okay, after the India become free, he can apply. So what was the vow taken by him? What was the vow taken by Vasudev Balban Phadke? Answer: Vasudev Balban Phadke took a vow of not applying tilak on his forehead. What was the vow? Not applying tilak on his forehead and not cutting his hair. Not cutting his hair until he had freed India from the clutches of the British. Okay, what was the vow taken by Vasudev Balban Phadke? That what was the vow? He took a vow of not applying tilak on his forehead, not applying tilak on his forehead, and not cutting his hair, not cutting his hair until he had freed India from the clutches of the British. Got it? Next question. Which book, which book was written by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar? Which book was written by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar? Okay, Veer Savarkar had written one book. The name of the book was 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Okay, what was the name of the book? 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Okay, which book was written by Veer Savarkar, means Vinayak Damodar Savarkar? Answer: Veer Savarkar, means Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, wrote a book titled, name of the book was 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Okay. Next one. Where did Vasudev Balban Phadke work and why did he leave job? Why did he leave the job? Okay. Vasudev Balban Phadke, where he was working and why did he leave his job? Okay. Where did Vasudev Balban Phadke work? Why did he leave the job? Answer: my dear student, Vasudev Balban Phadke, he worked for the company. He worked in Pune. When he was in Pune, he worked for the company because of the unjust and partiality. Okay, partiality of the British government. He was not happy with that, and that is why he left the job and became a revolutionary. Okay, so Vasudev Balban Phadke worked in Pune. Where did he work? He worked in Pune. Second point, he left his job. He left his job because of unjust and partial approach. Remember the word unjust and partial approach of the British government. Okay, because of that he was not happy, and that is why he left his job. Okay, so Vasudev Balban Phadke left his job because of the unjust and partial approach of the British government. Got it? Next question. When and where was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar born? Okay, when and where? ક્યાં અને ક્યારે? When and where was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar means Veer Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar means Veer Savarkar born. ક્યાં જન્મ્યા હતા? ક્યારે? Answer. Veer Savarkar means Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was born on 28th May. He was born on 28th May 1883. 28th May 1883 at Bhagur village. At Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Okay, on which date? 28th May 1883. 28th May 1883 at Bhagur village. Which village? Bhagur village, district, Nasik district in Maharashtra. Got it? Next question. When and where was Khudiram Bose born? Khudiram Bose क्या जन्मिया था? Okay, so my dear student, it is written here. Okay, Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December. Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889. 1889. 3rd December 1889 in Habibpur village of Midanpur district. Remember, 3rd December 1889 in Habibpur village, Midanpur district in Bengal. Okay, got it? Next one. Which revolutionary set an example? Which revolutionary set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity? Dear students, my next question is which secret group had Vasudev Balban Phadke formed? Which secret group had Vasudev Balban Phadke formed? We know Vasudev Balban Phadke had formed a revolutionary group of armed. A name was Ramoshi. Ramoshi. Okay, what was the name? Ramoshi. Okay, answer. Vasudev Balban Phadke formed a secret group of armed revolutionaries. Armed means weapon. Armed revolutionaries called Ramoshi to fight against the British government. Vasudev Balban Phadke had formed a secret group of armed revolutionaries. Called Ramoshi. Remember, Ramoshi, Ramoshi, to fight against the British government. Got it? Next question. Who was the pioneer? Who was the pioneer of revolutionary activities for India in abroad? Who was the pioneer of revolutionary activity for India abroad by staying out of India, still work for India, and it's to make India free from the clutches of the British. Who was that person? Who was the first person? Obviously, a Gujarati person named Shyamji Krishna Verma, who was born in Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat. Okay, Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat. Okay, so who was the pioneer of revolutionary activities for India abroad? Answer: Shyamji Krishna Verma. Shyamji Krishna Verma, who was born in Mandvi, in Kutch, Gujarat. Shyamji Krishna Verma, who was born in Mandvi village of Kutch, Gujarat, was the pioneer of revolutionary activities for India abroad. Got it? Who was that? Shyamji Krishna Verma. Okay, he was born in Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat. Okay, he went to England, and when he was not feeling secure, he went to Paris. After that, he went to Switzerland, and in Switzerland he died. Okay, so who was that person? Shyamji Krishna Verma. Got it? Next question. What was the vow? What was the vow taken by Chandrasekhar Azad? What vow had Chandrasekhar Azad taken? What vow had Chandrasekhar Azad taken? What was the vow taken by Chandrasekhar Azad? Okay, Azad is the Khalus, we can say, because when he was asked, what is your name? He said Azad. Okay, father's name freedom, and residence prison. Okay, and after that he was known as Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay, so what was the vow taken by him? Okay, Chandrasekhar Azad had taken a vow. What was the vow? Not to be caught alive. Not to be caught alive by the British government. Not caught to be alive. Not to be caught alive by the British government, and that is why when he was there in Alfred Park, Allahabad, and he was surrounded by the British government, and it was the last bullet in his gun, he shot himself. But he did not, he was not, what was the word he had taken? Okay, not to be caught alive, and he was not alive at that time. Okay, he died, he killed himself. So Chandrasekhar Azad had taken a vow not to be caught alive by the British government. Okay, and what was his real name? Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. Okay, which three revolutionaries were hanged on the same day? Same day means 23rd March 1931. Okay, here we can add. Same day means 23rd March 1931. Three revolutionaries were hanged. Okay, the three revolutionaries which were hanged on the same day. Which date? The three revolutionaries which were hanged on the same day on 23rd March 1930 were Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Who were they? Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. And if I change the word here, instead of two I write, which two revolutionaries were hanged on the same day, then answer would be different. Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil. Okay, Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismil. Date is different, no? Date is different. Okay, when we say about two, then Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan. When there are three, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Got it? The three revolutionaries which were hanged on the same day on 23rd March 1931 were Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Okay, next question. When and where was Ram Prasad Bismil born? When and where was Ram Prasad Bismil born? Bismil is a takhallus. Okay, Bismil is the takhallus. Okay, so answer: Ram Prasad Bismil was born. Ram Prasad Bismil was born in 1897. In 1897 at Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, got it? And next question is: who unfurled the Indian tricolor? Who unfurled the Indian tricolor, Tiranga, at a conference at Stuttgart in Germany? Okay, who was the person? Who was there? Who unfurled the Indian tricolor, Tiranga, at a conference at Stuttgart in Germany? Who was that? Madam Kama. Who was that? Madam Kama. Answer: Madam Kama unfurled the Indian tricolor Madam Kama unfurled the Indian tricolor at a conference at Stuttgart in Germany. So who was that? Thus we have to change only one word. Instead of who, we have to write down the name Madam Kama. And after that we have to copy down the same thing as it was in the question. So who was that? Madam Kama unfurled the Indian tricolor at a conference at Stuttgart in Germany. Copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.